Welcome to Naturaliss Jamaican Home Cooking. This week I'm going to be doing carrot and mango juice. Click the subscribe button and help me to make more videos. Tell a friend to tell a friend and 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 a friend, friend, and then another friend. Come make we bubble apart. Yes, so I have my carrot here, right? About 1.5 pounds of carrot. I have my mango here, nice pretty mango. Right, I have my ginger. Going to be using about 7 grams of ginger or 3 pegs of ginger. Going to prepare the carrot for blending. Going to wash these off. Guys, very dirty. So I'm going to cut these up. Mango. What I'm going to do now, strain this off. I'm going to add my sugar. I'm going to sweeten. I'm going to do now is strain this again. Yes, the carrot mango drink is ready. Going to test it out and see what it is like. Very refreshing. You know, can taste the ginger, can taste the carrot, can taste the mango. Right, so it's very delicious. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this drink. Right, remember to subscribe. Click the like button if you got value from this recipe. Boom.